Hello students, this is the second part of the chapter number 2, Lost Spring, in which this story would highlight the condition of Mukesh instead of Sahib. Mukesh belongs to a Bengal making family, but when he was asked by the narrator what would he like to do, so he wants difference. He wants to be a motor mechanic. He dreams to be a motor mechanic, but it was not easy job. It was not clear in his eyes or brain because it conditions did not allow to be a motor mechanic. Mukesh belongs to a Bengal making family, and especially from Firozabad near Agra, and there are several other families, but most of families in Firozabad are generally engaged only in Bengal making. He could not do any other things, or even they could not do any other thing. वो कुछ नहीं कर सकते because they have just spent over this work just generations. And even there are not only Mukesh but also near about 20,000 children belong to Firozabad working the same. They never visit to school. They never try to go in any other fields, and the head of the families and usually just working indulge in the same one. सभी परिवार के लोग इसी में रहते हैं and all round in their huts they are just muddy, and even their walls are generally hobbles, crumbling walls, and even they are living just in stinking lanes, stinking where just drainage are complete chalked and give a fouling smell. जहाँ से बदबू आती है, सड़ी गली बदबू आती है. छोटी छोटी गलियां हैं, उसमें उनके घर हैं जो मडी हैं, दीवारें गिरी पड़ी हैं, but no one has had tried to renovate them because they had no money, because they could earn only from Bengal Megal, so that they could survive only. And even no family has courage to send their children to school. कोई अपने बच्चों के स्कूल भी नहीं भेज सकता है, एंड मुकेश फैमिली इज वन ऑफ देम. And these types house, they have no window. All around it was completely a dark, and inside of this families, Indian family members and animals all are living just together. And in a dark corner there is a furnace where usually children illegally work with their parents over the furnace, especially for mending or even a welding glass and even just smelting. ये सारा काम किया जाता है. That's why generally they lose their eyesight at early stage. And one side when Ani Jung reaches to the Mukesh houses with Mukesh, what she saw generally, even his grandmother and elders, everyone, her grandmother tells Ani Jung she has seen her own husband blinding in front of herself. उसने अपनी आंखों के सामने उसने हस्बैंड को अपनी आंखों को खोते हुए देखा है. And all round there is only Bengal making words. Generally there are piles of variety types of just these Bengals. They are different colors like rainbow colors, and they are carried after just mending by the hand carts by the young men from one to another places. तो उनको ले जाया जाता है. एंड लेकिन ये सारी चीज़ें क्या हैं, उनके लिए प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रही हैं, उनकी लाइफ को अफेक्ट कर रही हैं, बट दे नेवर try to come out. Once if they try to come out and even they make a cooperatives, but there is another world, एक दूसरा संसार भी है जिसमें कौन रहता है, मनी लेंडर हैं, पुलिस वाले हैं, पुलिसमैन हैं, लैंडलॉर्ड्स हैं. they could not want to come out them because they have generally tramped them, grip over them, and if they do so they are generally beaten. वो पीटे जाते हैं. लेकिन मुकेश वांटेड टू बी अ डिफरेंट, टू बी अ मोटर मैकेनिक. इट वाज टोल्ड by Mukesh when he was asked by Ani Jung what would be like to be. So he told he would like to be a motor mechanic, but as a joke she asked why he was not to be a pilot. So then he stated he had never seen just aeroplanes flying over just our lanes of Firozabad, but he usually see just cars going here and there. तो ये उसका तर्क आया. तो इस तरह से he wanted to be a motor mechanic, and this is the end of the story. You will try to understand it more and more with the help of your textbook after reading it. Thanks. Have a